Hey guys, thanks for taking a sec to watch my video. Right now I've got a washer and electric dryer set. The washer is Roper, which is made by Whirlpool. Lots of little different surnames for the Whirlpool brand washers. You see Amana, Inglius, tons of different ones. Sometimes they also just say Whirlpool. However, they're all manufactured by Whirlpool, and I've got this one going on a large load. This would be considered a super capacity washer, so it's gonna hold, that's actually a really heavy towel load. Maybe even a little too heavy with some of the big towels that I put in there, but tons of little hand towels and such. Anyway, fairly heavy load. I've got it set to normal, regular, and then you can control the actual water amount used right here, which is really nice because as you'll see in a minute, we got full submersion and the agitator in the middle is gonna get those clothes really clean. This particular model also has a really fast spin cycle, which is great for getting those clothes nice and light. It's gonna cut your drying time in half. So I'm gonna allow it to go ahead and fill up, and I'm gonna show you that it agitates, drains the water out like it's supposed to, and then it has a nice, fast, smooth spin cycle. Now you'll see here where it says lid lock, typically you wouldn't be able to open this up. I just took the two little screws out of the lid locking mechanism, just so I could show you here that everything's working the way it's supposed to. Otherwise, when it's locked, it would be locked and you wouldn't be able to open this up. Nice safety feature. So we'll let it go ahead and fill up with water and we'll come back. All right, it's filled up. We switched over into the wash portion of the cycle. It's getting started on those clothes. You see it's doing an excellent job with that agitation. One thing that's also really nice is it's nice and quiet. So we'll let it move on from here. Finish up the wash cycle. It'll drain the water out. Fill up with clean, fresh water. Agitate to rinse, and then it'll drain, and we'll be on to the final spin cycle. Okay, it is draining the water out from the rinse cycle. With the drain running. Now it's gonna start in on the spins. And what I'll let it do is get up to full speed. Then I'll come back and show you spinning at full speed. Okay, should be up to full speed now. Hear the drain running as it extracts the water from the clothes. It's got a nice, fast, smooth operation. I'll go ahead and let this finish up, then we'll move those clothes over to the dryer and show you the dryer. All right, and we've got a Kenmore electric dryer. Got it set to time dry with high heat. You've got a switch for your signal. You'll turn it off in case you get kids sleeping or something. Then you push to start. Your lint trap is right here, so you pull that out and clean that with every load. And I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So I've got a temperature gun, surface temperature gun. Right in between those two red dots, it's going to take a surface temperature measurement. So it's about 70 degrees on top of the dryer. If I shine it down at the floor, it's gonna change a little bit. So we'll go ahead and open this up and shine it right inside the heating element tube. You see plenty of heat coming out of that tube right there. And that in turn will heat the inside of your dryer anywhere from about 95 up to 195. And that just depends on what you have the heat setting on right here. So you've got no heat, low, delicate, auto heat, and then high auto heat. So it'll go and basically stop when the clothes are done. Then you get a 40-minute wrinkle guard where it will continue tumbling on and off in 5-minute intervals, I believe, to keep wrinkles from happening. That's a great one to just kick it right there as you're getting ready in the morning and refresh your clothes. Anyway, we'll let that finish up. Go ahead and get these listed up for sale. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks, you guys have a great day.